guys, welcome back to our channel. We are doing another Goodwill Blue Box unboxing. It seems like this is pretty much all we do lately, but it's kind of fun. We don't get to shop very often. I have a really busy schedule, so when I come home and I've got a box waiting on me, she looks forward. She's like, let's do a video. I want to see what we got.
Let me use the scissors.
That sounded demented.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, man.
Anyways, this is a Y2K box. I've gotten one of these before and it was pretty decent. This is from Lake Worth, Florida. I don't remember where the other one is from, but I'll have to check it out. I will put a link in the description below of where you can get your own box. And you guys, if you've done one before, let me know. If you plan on doing one, tag me in it. Without further ado, I think this was like $49.99 plus $5 shipping. Go ahead. Plus $5 shipping. And I think we're supposed to get like 20 pieces. Yeah, because it says in the box 20. Y2K 20 piece. Seems like it's a smaller box than what we got last time. Remember the one from last time was bigger?
Yeah, but sometimes the bigger boxes disappoint you.
Oh, true.
So you just...
So good things come in small packages?
Yeah, like me.
She was kind of tiny. When she was a baby, she was like 4 pounds and 9 ounces when she was born. All right, make sure.
I'm not looking yet.
You're not looking. 20 pieces for $54.99 with the shipping. So what? How much is that? Less than $3 a piece per item?
Yeah.
Okay. First thing, kind of interesting. Walt Disney World True Vintage Characters hat. Looks like it's in great condition. It's actually a Disney Parks hat, so you know it came directly from there. Ooh. No! Got any spots? I don't see any. What size is it?
Medium.
Cool. Oh, look! It's a JanSport fanny pack. Oh, I think this is probably a vintage one, possibly. I don't think their little logo look. Ew.
Oh.
Inside's kind of dirty, though. That's kind of grody. I'll wash it up and disclose that, I guess. Okay. Next.
Aladdin.
You had to look twice, didn't you?
I didn't want to like embarrass myself.
It's got some dog hair on it. We need to wash it up for real.
Yeah.
All right. Black Flag. What's that? The Black Flag. That's the only black. Oh, it says 1985 records. I don't know. Anyways, Black Flag. The only Black Flag I know of was like the bug spray. Kind of smells. This whole box smells a little vintagey. Ooh, that's soft. That's a really soft tea. That's, what does it say?
Sedona, Arizona.
Sedona, Arizona. There's a little hole, but it's like a comfy tea. I bet you'd wear it, huh? Like distressed around the neck too. All right, what is this? This is the fine print. Just a little extra large t-shirt. What is that from? What is that from? It's like a bull or what is that? A bison? I have no clue, y'all. If you know what that is, let me know. I don't know.
I think I know what this is gonna be. Look at the balloon.
Ooh, she's seen a balloon and are you scared? Oh, what's up? Somebody bleached it. It's okay. We could sell that or finish doing that. But it is Rush Order Tees. Look, it's a balloon, so you instantly think of it. What does it say? I'm every nightmare you've ever had. I am your worst dream come true. I am everything you ever were afraid of. Interesting.
Creepy.
Okay. Cherry Coke. That's a long one. It is a extra large women's tea. Cherry Coke. Not bad. Might fit me. It's comfy. Ooh, what's that?
City of Jazz. Ooh.
City of Jazz, New Orleans. Looks like it's got some wear. Well, I wonder if you can like intentionally distress the rest though.
Yeah.
So, oh, I think this really is vintage. This is like a single stitch. That's what, now I know what they mean by single stitch. This is a vintage tee for sure.
I like it.
Hange hefty, extra large.
But you could always, since it has like the hole right there, you can like, I don't know, do something to it, I guess.
You'll let us know what we can do. That's really, really cool though. Okay. Guess jeans. Oh, cute little t-shirt. Oh, I don't think it's vintage. Well, I don't know. Look at the tag. That's probably vintage, but it doesn't look to be single stitched or anything like that.
Vintage, but not too vintage.
Vintage, but not too vintage. Interesting.
Okay, Polo Ralph Lauren.
Cute little polo. Is it real? Yeah, looks to be real. It's very soft.
It is soft.
It's super soft. It doesn't even feel like it's been washed, so it's probably fairly new. See some pants. Let's see. Adidas. Size extra large. Uh-oh. You might want them.
I'm not gonna fit them.
What?
So I'm not gonna fit them.
Why?
They're extra large.
Oh, yeah, true. They might fit me. Might fit me. Oh, yeah, they are kind of big. Look at that. Anyways, it's just some windbreaker pants. They've got the side zip. They don't look like they've been stepped on, so that's a good sign.
I like the like how at the bottom it's like scratched up kind of.
It's got the elastic bottoms.
I do like that.
So what is this? What is it? Interesting. That tag with all of the different flags. What is that?
I have, you know the like track set I have, the red one, it has that in it.
Really?
Yeah.
If you know what that means, I mean, as far as Adidas, let us know. Dolphins, Miami Dolphins, cool. All right.
I guess I have my own little pile, I guess.
There is a denim long sleeve, Ralph Lauren, Blake, extra large, little button down with a little red embroidered little polo guy. That's pretty nice. I bet selling this I'd get the majority of my money back because it's denim and it's Ralph Lauren. She's skipping. You can't do that. That's cheating.
I'm gonna put it back.
What is it?
Football.
Nike football. Football?
Extra large.
Let's see what you skipped over. This is a Eddie Bauer Sports Shop tee. Very soft. It's got that broken in feeling. I like it. Tuaca liquor. What's it say up here? It is a Delta RX adult pre-shrunk tee. Oh yeah, it's got holes and spots. Yeah. Okay, it's a Las Vegas, Nevada tee. Quit looking. It is just a Seaport and Company. Okay, Las Vegas, Nevada tee. Interesting. Ooh, now I see.
That's why I said
Jamaica man. It says, "Hey man, we be jammin', Bahamas." Doesn't look like there's any spots on it.
And if there was, we could like
tie-dye it. That'd be
the
fun.
red, yellow, and green.
That's kind of cool. We be jammin'. All right. Skinny Legs, Coral Bay. Okay, a pretty okay place. I guess that's an island. I don't know. That's kind of cute.
They might have skinny legs.
Okay. I don't, well, I used to have skinny legs. Jets. Look at that.
Cool, mine.
No, one of yours. Sweatshirt. I need to wash it up. A hoodie. Decent. What size is it?
Yeah, but if I find it in the
It
washer.
is a men's NFL extra large. Looks like it's a little worn.
So right? Okay.
That's it. Let's count them up, fellas.
1,
2,
we'll take turns counting. That's so cool. 3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10,
I like this one. I might keep this one. 11.
12. Okay, I'll just count now. 13.
Yeah, you took all.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So I guess the nasty fanny pack was extra, and so was the hat, which is cute. Anyways, this is our second Y2K box that we've done. I will...
I feel like we've done more for some reason.
I know we've done a lot of unboxing for the Goodwill blue boxes, but I will link it above or below. I haven't figured out how to link it above.
Somewhere, you just gotta find it.
Just gotta find it, just look. If you like reseller content like this with unboxings, be sure and like and subscribe, and even leave us a comment. Yeah, let us know if you've gotten a box like this before and what you thought about this one. And if you see anything in here that you're interested in, just shoot me a message. I will link my Instagram below as well, so you can reach out to me through there. Yeah, so y'all have a great night.